Grade 8, English. Page 44, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Exercise 1A. Do you know how to use a computer? A desktop computer is a computer desk. It has a monitor, a CPU, a keyboard and a mouse. A monitor is an output device that often looks similar to a television screen. It is a computer screen on which words or pictures or graphics can be shown. It allows you to see what the computer is doing or processing. A keyboard is a typewriter-style device used to input text into a computer. It has keys for cursor movement and entering commands. It is composed of buttons that create letters, numbers, and symbols. A mouse is a small device that is used to guide the cursor on a computer screen. It usually has two buttons. Press the left button, a left click, to select objects and the right one, a right click to open menus. In addition, there is a scroll wheel between the buttons. It allows the user to easily turn the wheel up or down to view the contents the user wants to. A CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, results, and instructions. It is usually in the CPU tower. Page 45, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Exercise 2A. How to start a computer. Could you tell me how to start a computer? Well, it's quite simple. Okay. Tell me how, please. First, start the power. And next, turn on the CPU. And then, finally, press the power button on the monitor. I see. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. Page 45, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Exercise 4A. Could you tell me about the basics of a computer? Sure. When you start a computer, you'll see different bars on the screen. First, I will begin with the two bars. Okay. What are they? Taskbar and menu bar. What's taskbar? It's a row of buttons or icons usually at the bottom of the screen. First, you need to know Start icon. If you click on it, it displays Start menu. And then, what's menu bar? It's a row of menus along the top of a computer screen. It usually includes File, Edit, Format, View and so on. I see. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Page 46, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Basics of a computer. All computers are composed of two basic parts, software and hardware. Software means a set of programs used to operate a computer, whereas hardware refers to the objects which are electronic parts of a computer such as keyboard, mouse, speakers, and CPU. One of the most popular types of software in the world is Microsoft Word, which was developed by Microsoft Corporation, the world's biggest software company. Microsoft Word is a word processing program. Word processing means the process of creating, editing, and formatting documents, and adding graphics to the documents. It is used mainly for creating documents such as letters, learning activities, tests, and projects. In Microsoft Word, there are different ways of starting a document. Here is a simple option to do it. First of all, click Start in the bottom left corner of the desktop screen. Then, click Microsoft Word, Figure 1, from Start menu, and a new blank document, Figure 2, will open up for the user to start typing. After finishing word processing, the document needs to be saved. There are some steps to follow. First of all, click File menu in the upper left corner of the desktop screen. Next, click Save from File menu, Figure 3, and a Save dialog box, Figure 4, will come up. Then, enter or type a name in the file name box. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the box and the document is stored in the computer. Computers are wonderful electronic machines that work at the commands of the user. Today, computers and software have become easier to use and they have made life easier for many people in many ways. Page 49, Unit 5, Lesson 3. Exercise 2B. Making invisible ink. First, squeeze the juice of half of lemon into a bowl and add a few drops of water to the juice. Next, stir the juice and water with a spoon. Then, dip a cotton swab or bud into the mixture. After that, write a message on a piece of paper and allow the invisible ink to dry and disappear. Finally, heat the paper using a lamp to see the message. Page 50, Unit 5, Lesson 4. Exercise 1C. Making saline solution. The materials that are needed for the experiment are 4 cups of boiled water, 2 teaspoons of non-iodized salt, a bottle with a cap and a stirrer. First, wash your hands thoroughly. Next, sterilize the container and the stirrer by boiling them in water. Then, pour the water into the container. After that, mix the salt in and stir until completely dissolved. Finally, allow the mixture to cool by storing it in the refrigerator. Page 51, Unit 5, Lesson 4. Exercise 2C. Harnessing power from lemons. The materials that are needed are 4 zinc nails, 1 lead light, 5 alligator clips, 4 copper strips, a knife, and 4 lemons. First, cut a slit with a knife in the 4 lemons for the copper strips. Next, insert the copper strips halfway into the lemons. Then, push the 4 zinc nails into the lemons without touching the copper strips. After that, connect all the 4 lemons together using the alligator clips, each copper strip from one lemon being connected to the zinc nail of the next. Finally, attach the free ends of the alligator clips to the LED light bulb and you will find that the LED light bulb will turn on with the power harnessed from the lemons.